Today I am upgrading this 2019 LG Gram laptop. It originally came with just 4 GB of DDR4 RAM and a tiny 120 GB SSD, which feels very limiting in 2026. So today I will upgrade it with an additional 4 GB DDR4 RAM, bringing the total to 12 GB, and I will also replace the original SSD with a much faster ORICO E7400 1TB NVMe SSD. Let's get started. If you enjoy update videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station. The back shell removal process is very easy. You just need to remove this plastic cover, and underneath that there are some screws which all can be removed via one single Phillips screwdriver. So I have already removed most of the screws before recording to make this video short. I am removing only the last one, and after removing this you can pry open by your fingernail or ATM card. Since this is an ultralight laptop, it's important to use plastic opening tools and avoid applying excessive force. Take your time to prevent damaging the clips. Inside the laptop, you can see that the original 4 GB RAM is already soldered directly into the motherboard. But luckily LG include additional RAM slot which allowing us to expand the memory. I will install an 8 GB DDR4 RAM module into the empty slot. Let me show you the RAM I am using. This is a SK Hynix 8 GB RAM. Once installed, the laptop will have a total of 12 GB of RAM, which should greatly improve the multitasking and everyday performance. Before I start the upgrading procedure, I must clean the laptop. It's always very important. Okay. The RAM installation process is done. You can say it via the sound. Now comes the SSD upgrade. This laptop has only one M2 SSD slot, so the original 120 GB SSD must be removed completely. I will replace it with the ORICO 7400 1TB Gen 4 SSD. If you want to know more about this ORICO SSD, then you can check the ORICO E7400 unboxing testing video here. Okay, I am installing the SSD. Then where is the screw? Okay. Although this laptop itself supports older PCI Express speed, Gen 4 SSDs are also backward compatible, so this drive will work perfectly while providing plenty of storage for documents, photos, videos and applications. The biggest improvements here is the capacity from 120 GB to massive 1 TB. About the ORICO 7400 SSD, it offers excellent value for money. It features a PCI Express Gen 4 interface with high sequential read and write speed, on compatible systems. Even if your older laptop cannot fully utilize Zen 4 speed, the SSD remains a great investment because you can later reuse it in a newer computer. If you're interested in buying this SSD, I have placed the purchase link in the video description. Okay, now time to reinstall the back shell. Before putting it into places, I am removing the dust with a brush. Okay, make sure all the clips are properly aligned and interlocked. Don't put any excess pressure. Okay, now time to tighten the screw. Don't over tighten anything, especially on ultra lightweight laptop like LG Gram. So the upgrade is now complete. The laptop has gone from 4GB RAM to 12GB RAM, 120GB SSD to 1TB NVMe SSD. So for everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, video streaming and lightweight productivity, this update should make feel the system much more responsive than before. Instead of replacing an entire laptop, a RAM and SSD upgrade is often more cost-effective way to extend its useful life. I hope you enjoyed this update video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Galaxy Station, and let me know in the comments what hardware you would like to see me upgrading in the next video. And if you are interested to buy ORICO 1TB SSD, you will find the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.